My name is Marigal Wergola, 26 years old. I'm single. I have experience as a housemaid and taking care of elderly here in the Philippines for 5 years since 2014 to 2019. My duties and responsibilities is taking care of elderly, cooking, cleaning, gardening, washing clothes, washing dishes. And I have experience also here in the Philippines for 3 years since 2020, 2023, taking care of child and household chore. My duties and responsibilities is taking care of child, cooking, cleaning. I'll teach him his assignment, gardening. And to my future employer, please give me a chance or choose me as your helper because I'm trustworthy, loyal, and hardworking helper. I promise that I will do my best as your helper. And I promise that I will finish my contract. Thank you and God bless.